Tarmac Mortars have 5 DSM plants. They also have 7 ready-to-use plants. We manufacture the dry silo product, gravity fed into road tankers, and they're distributed out onto customer sites. Here we actually do manufacture bulk bags. Again, these tankers are filled, rolled around to a mobile silo, blown into there, where then the operators manually put a bag on the bottom, gravity fed, discharge into a bulk bag and fill a bulk bag. The standard mobile silo is relatively low to the ground, so you've got an operator who'll be crouching down to hang a bag underneath, and then it was a manual operation, opening a butterfly valve to fill the bag, and then when they filled the bags in, the volume that's in the bag, air escapement's got to come out, and that's a lot of dust came out. So operators wearing, as usual, a full PPE, but then you also had to have a full face mask, which was air fed for protection, just purely from the amount of dust that was being generated. So that was the first port of call, is how can we stop the dust coming out of the bag. The first measurement was putting an inflatable neck seal onto the bottom of the silo and have a manual control where an operator stood out the way of the process and then control the valve from a distance while the bag was being filled. And with an inflatable neck seal, there was no escapement coming out from the process. The next step after that was put a weight control on. So now it's the operator hangs the bag, the program is set up, so they just press the start button, and then the bag will now fill to the set weight limit and then close off. And then the operator next comes in just to tie the bag off before the footlift truck takes it away to put it into location storage. Next step we looked at moving for the busy manufacturing sites and the DSM plants is takeaway truck movement. The silos were still being filled externally by a tanker truck movement. There could be 12 tanker movements a day to fill the silos. So the next step was move these silos to be filled directly from the manufacturing plant itself. So now the 3 silos are filled directly from the plant. We don't have any truck movements now. There's no need to bring a tank around to fill a silo. It's all done directly from the plant now. We've also had the sites audited for dust, noise, as we do on an annual basis. And those reports have come back saying the requirement to wear a full air-fed face mask during that production is now no longer required.